Whee! Christmas are here! Oh yeah, guys. Cannot wait for this unboxing. These days I'm doing so many unboxing videos. By the way, new door, electric door, love it. The next door place, we are just preparing it, so that's a great thing. Guys, today's video, you know that it's already about Tufskinz, but it's not a normal unboxing video. This is like 10,000 euros worth of Tufskinz products. And in case you don't know what are Tufskinz, you're about to find out. Those they know, I think it's very nice to see the differences between doomed carbon and raw carbon. So this is something that you will find out in today's episode. Also, I'll show you new colors because they have plenty of colors with their products. And because of the new RT 2020 and their coloring like options, and because of course of the RYKERs, I will share with you, I think 3 secrets. You know what? I'll just be Martin the vlogger, so enough of this. Let's get started. You know what? This is not really an unboxing video for me because yesterday we went through all of the items with Katka. That's my routine, of course. And after I have explained them, like, what is this all about? She was like, are you telling me that you have thrown in 10,000 euros into stickers? And I was like, yeah, if you say it this way, I kind of, yeah, I did. And so the next question was like, will they sell? And I was like, I believe in that brand. I have that brand. I love it. So I think yes. And if not, I mean, the kids are growing, so they will be 2 years old, and we need like new decorations for their room. So I think every kid 2 years old loves carbon, so we were gonna have use for that, I'm pretty sure. So guys, enough of this nonsense. How we gonna do it? Let me first show you the difference between this is what it's called doomed carbon. Can you see it? It's like real carbon under the thick kind of layer of clear coating. What it makes kind of 3D effect, and it's nice and shiny. I'll show it to you, like, let me show you my gas tank on the F3, and that gas protector, it's there since 2017 or 2018. I also did a video about this. This is what it's called raw carbon, and it doesn't have a protector, the clear coat protector, and you can feel it's really like raw. You can feel those, you know, the carbon patterns, like how it is done. Now, I told you I'm going to tell you a couple of secrets. Actually, I think 3. First of all, apart from the colors, and we will go through the RYKER options and RT options and SPYDER F3 options, and on RYKER I'll show you where they belong. And we will also mount 1 or 2 items on the Bloody Mary. One secret that many people don't know, of course, Tufskinz products are, let's say, on a higher end on a price range, but they are high quality products. Not only because they can lease on the bike for, I'm not saying forever, nothing leases forever, but they are there for 5 or 6 years and nothing is wrong with them. So the glue that they are using, the material that they are using is just top notch. By the way, one top tip, in case you will apply these things during spring, autumn or winter, make sure the area and your bike is heated up. I recommend 20 degrees. This is how many Fahrenheit it is. And make sure also the plastics are like a little bit heated up. Heat them up with a hairdryer or whatever. So the secret, this is real carbon. So the doomed, it's as well, they have sheets of carbon that they cut on a thin pieces, and they put like coating on it, kind of, and this is just raw. How insane it is! Like, you have real carbon, not like this. This is wrap foil that cost, 1 square meter, like 20 euros, depends what quality you buy. It's just fake. This is real carbon. That's insane. So that's the first secret. You know, let's move with the product. This is, I believe, for RT, the new 2020, the side panel where you have, you know, those sharp things on next to the engine. So that's it. This is also for RT. Honestly, I don't know what's that, but I will show you the picture. This is definitely for RTs, and many of it's either dashboards or, you know, some kind of panels around dashboards. And have a look. This is something I wanted to show you as well. This is their red colored. This is how they call it. It's just absolutely beautiful. And this is the blue color. Again, hopefully you can see it well. It's just nice and beautiful. So this is for the, let's say, I'm pretty sure this is, I know this one goes on the RT 2020, and it's the control panel you have with the kind of joystick, okay? So again, blue, real doomed carbon, real carbon, and the red. So that's just beautiful. You know what, now let me do very quickly the installation and tell you finally the secret, the other one. It was about my cooperation with Tufskinz. This is an American company, of course, and usually how they work, because they have so many color combinations and so many different types of products on many websites, you simply order them and then they will send it to you in like 4 to 9 days. It's called, of course, dropship, and this is how they work. So they wanted to work that same way with me, but I'm based in Europe, so it was a no-no. After some discussions, we have agreed that I'm gonna order a huge box. So MartinTheVlogger ended up ordering like almost whole page of their products for Can-Am SPYDER and Can-Am RYKER in different color combinations. So it's pretty interesting. It took them something like 3 weeks to make my order. Of course, they have different business to do, but you know, and this is how it works. So from the other side, it's something like very adhesive. It reminds me of a 3M tape. And when you are installing them, make sure there is no grease, no dirt, nothing. And what I also do like to do, as I told you, it's winter, and so I like to heat up the plastic around and then just throw it in. But look, it will refresh the look. It's gonna look nice, very nice. Now, by the way, I really think they look awesome on the dashboard. That's, for the moment, that's my favorite piece. Okay, so let me take every single item that I have for the RYKER, and I will show it to you where they fit. And do you want to hear, in the meantime, the third secret? You know what the third secret is? Tufskinz products, they're super addictive. If you go on my page, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, and you will start, you know, searching like what are the options. So this is, I'll finish. So what are the options? You will just start to click, 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 and like you would like to have that one, that one, that one. They're so addictive. That's how I was shopping. So this goes in here, and it will make kind of a alien look. Of course, different colors. I'll try to pick different color always. These are for top, you know, these lights. So they go here. They will look just absolutely amazing, and they will sparkle your fenders in case you don't have custom wrap like that. Of course, you can get custom wraps on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. You can also talk to me. We can find you some great looking wrap. We can custom build your wraps. What else? This will go for your wheels, like I have it here, the custom wrap. So we have different colors, and you just put it there. They will, like, it will refresh your wheels. Trust me on that one. Also in carbon, of course. And it just looks beautiful, the raw carbon. This one goes, of course, here, and you have set of 3. One is longer for your rear wheel, so that's something interesting. What else we have? What else we got? We have this. So let me take another color. This for the back, of course. So it's quite obvious. It will fit there, nice and easy. So that's another thing. I have additional rear fender for RYKER version. It's right over there, ready to take pictures in a short period of time. One of the must-have things for me, it's a tank protector. So 3-piece kit, and you know, guys, in case you love your bike and you don't have anything in there, put something there, because I'm not saying you have to buy from me, but you should. But protect your tank. This is what I love, and actually I might be using one of these. It goes here under the light. You should, like, this one goes here, so the lights can really get some extra effect. So that's a nice thing. And what I also like, let me take the right one, for instance. It's this for this air vents. So you put one piece here, here, and here, and again you can have a nice kit for your headlights. Of course, I could not order every single item for the RYKER, but I did try my best. This is what I like as well. I may actually again use one. I don't know what's your experience on those reflection tapes. I had to remove it not only because of this beautiful wrap, but also because it was falling off. So these ones are actually like really reflective, and we have different colors. So in case you don't like only the red one that is in there, this is much more beautiful and more visible. White, also the black and yellow I have, so that's a great thing. There we go. And what else we have? And we have, of course, these, and I have to show it to you one more time, because that hood, the dashboard trim, that's just beautiful. And the last thing is, why do you need to buy? Where I have it, where I have it, where are you? Where are you, you piece of crap? Where are you? Where I have it? Where I have it? Oh, it's here. There you go. So why do you need to buy this piece of, you know, plastic? You need to drill holes. I just hate that thing. So you can nicely put wrap. In case you are tired of it, you'll just simply remove it. In case you sell the RYKER, the new owner can remove it. I have holes in there just because the previous owner put that ugly plastic right over there. I think this is much more smarter, and you have different colors. So, and the dashboard, of course. Let me show you the dashboard one more time. I love it. It's a different thing, right? I love it. Now, let me go outside. It's cold there as hell, but I'll show you what I have for F3s. Oh, 2 more items for the RYKER. This is for the mud flaps. So obviously it goes here. That's quite nice add-on. And this one is the what it is. It's not a mud flap, but this plastic cover. Even many studios, if they do a wrap, they usually do not include that part. So we have them now. Again, different colors. So all there. Okay, now let me grab some Spyder stuff and I will finish this torture for y'all. Whee! Okay, let me grab this. Guys are working on the next door studio for us. Yeah, can't wait for that. Yep, babies need to be out. All right, so with RYKER, it doesn't work that I have different colors. With RYKER, how it works is that I have doomed carbon or we have the rear carbon. And have a look at this. Is my doomed carbon. 5 years. 5 years right over here. Since 2017, I guess. So I will not change it. It's just beautiful. You just need to clean a little, but it's all there. So worth it. I have the tank protector, or not tank protector, but you know, gas refill, gas cap, I guess it's the name. We have the full kit on these, so they are beautiful. And that's what I don't like about Can-Am's Spyders and RYKERs. These cheap plastics, they fade away. So that's what we have. This is a quite expensive option. As you can see, that's the raw carbon. It's 18-piece kit, and I was hamming it. And actually, my video on YouTube, you can find an installation about this. It's for here, it's for this one, it's for this one. It just looks absolutely beautiful. It's 18-piece kit. It goes for both sides, but I don't have it anymore just because it wasn't really fitting with the plain look of the bottom back part of the beast. So I had to remove it. Ouch! It was expensive remove. And we have it for the side panels, so it's in there. Let me go very quickly back to the studio because it's cold in here, and let me finish this video. This is pretty much it. I cannot do anything about the RYKER RT. Mostly what I was focusing with the products that I have are the dashboards, because you can, you know, sparkle them up a little. Also we have some parts that they are going where is the front grille, like on the spoiler, just to look at it like carbonish little. That would look great with the grille protectors, the radiator protectors that are absolutely a must on a RT 2020 plus. Guys, thank you very much for watching. In case you like these kind of products, well, go to the MartinTheVlogger.com/shop and have a look. They're addictive, trust me. And yeah, enjoy the winter time, and remember, heat up your garage before you will do the installation of these products. Shop on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, and always have fun.